Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Ford Fiesta horn using an easy method. First, let's locate the horn itself. It's typically found behind the front bumper or grille. Next, you'll want to check the horn fuse. This fuse is usually in the main fuse box, which can be under the hood or inside the dashboard. A blown fuse is a very common and straightforward reason your horn might not be working, and it's a simple fix. Once you've checked the fuse, the next step is to test the horn unit itself. First, safely disconnect the electrical connector from the horn. Then, you can use a multimeter to check for continuity across the horn's terminals. A more direct test involves carefully applying 12 volts of power directly to the horn. If the horn sounds when power is applied, then the horn unit is likely working correctly. If the horn unit works, let's move on to the wiring and relay. Carefully inspect all the wiring leading to the horn for any signs of damage, fraying, or corrosion. Next, locate the horn relay, which is also typically found in the fuse box. You can often swap it with a known good relay of the same type to test it. A malfunctioning relay is a frequent culprit, stopping power from reaching your horn. Finally, if all else fails, the issue might be with the clock spring inside your steering wheel. This crucial component maintains the electrical connection to your horn button as you turn the wheel. If the clock spring is broken, it will interrupt the electrical signal, preventing the horn from sounding. While some repairs are DIY-friendly, replacing the clock spring often requires specialized tools and professional assistance for safety and proper installation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.